Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I'm in the home shop today, and I got a call from Kansas City about 2 weeks ago. And this gentleman said, my daughter read online that if you want to remove tree sap off of a vehicle, you can use goof off and magic eraser and just spray the goof off on and rub with a magic eraser. I believe her daughter actually used Goo B Gone. I've probably got some around somewhere. I just grabbed the goof off Pro Strength because it was handy, and I've got to get to work fixing the paint on this pretty much new 2019 Mazda CX-5. I will not mention the names of any of the people who followed this advice. Some hack that was a quick fix hack, not an actual detailer hack. Because if a detailer told you to clean the sap off of your cherry red new Mazda and said, yeah, just use some Goo B Gone and a magic eraser and you'll be fine. So she read it somewhere online that this was the proper procedure. She didn't call me because she didn't know me then, but I've met her a few times now and been in a lot of contact with her, calmed her down, said everything's going to be okay. I'm going to be able to take care of this. Your dad said I am now listed as one of the top 10 detailers in Pinellas County. So thumbs up, JJ. You're doing good. You're about to open a brand new, beautiful detailing salon. So I will not have to be in this 1.5 car garage. Little workshop area over there. Air conditioning unit over the top. If you've seen my channel, you may know I went through a little period of time where I left the farmhouse and the open air garage and then came into here. I do have my beautiful butterflies from my ex-fiance still on my dryer. She's a very good friend of mine. There's, give Turtle Wax a little love. Had some other stuff up. Oh, before we get to the detail, I've got a new camera and I can do cool things like show you the Turtle Wax hybrid things. I can do pauses and then come right back to you if that worked. Okay, here's the flip side. Oh, it did work. So anyway, in some nice lighting, I'm just going to work around the edge. This is where her husband, who will remain nameless, first rubbed. Now, if he would have just stopped rubbing there, if he would have put some Goo B Gone, you can see the little circle right there in the middle of the camera. And now it's right in the middle of the light. You can't see it. That was the tree sap dot. And he put the goof off, or Goo B Gone, right on it and took a magic eraser like this and decided that he would rub. I'm actually going to touch the paint because, well, the damage is done. And I'm about to fix it. This car has been prepped for polishing, which means it was pressure washed. It was then washed with, I used a Purple Power vehicle boat, really removes a lot of crap. It's a fairly high base soap, pH, basic side. And then it was sprayed with Grille's Garage, I believe, iron fallout remover. I do like that stuff. It's not too sticky or stinky, and it's very thick, so it puts where you put it and spread it is where it stays. It's not watery and runs down the side of the car, which is awesome. I use actually a body brush by Nanoskin. And I also use a mop head, an oversized, like, commercial foam mop head. Because if I'm going to be polishing anyway, like, what does it matter, right? It doesn't matter at all. I'm not damaging anything. It's got liquid on it from the fallout remover. I spray it all over the car, and then I wipe it so that I save a lot of product that way, but that's just me. Here's a nice deep scratch from someone dropping something. I've got another one here that I'm going to work on right there. So I've got a few things. I'm actually just doing from this part of the car forward, and thought I had this thing tucked in before. So she does hand wash. The owner has these roof racks, so she hand washes. She had never heard of a 2-bucket system, so I'm going to have a little consult with my friend who owns this car, and I'm going to take you in here for a sweeping view. Instead of stopping there, her husband and she both grabbed magic erasers. There was a dot of tree sap here in front of my finger. There, you can see the little circles. I don't know how well that'll come up, but you can clearly see them. And they proceeded together as a young married couple, doing things together, being partners, doing all that. There's where the tree sap was, right there. And anyway, they went all around the car, and they went all around the fender, the hood, this clip panel here, all the way around. Really nice work. They diligently scrubbed with the magic eraser, and all the way up on this fender. That's showing up real nice to me. There you go. The sap must have been right in the middle there. They did a really nice job all on this fender along the way. The lighting isn't very good there. But so when you rub with a magic eraser, let me get you dialed in here. Sorry about my always faulty camera work. You'll see the sap and you'll want to remove it. And me personally, I would grab some Citral 266 and spray it on about 4-to-1. You can see the circles around. This is a nice spot where they really did a nice job of scrubbing. And well, I think you get the idea. I'm kind of having some fun with this because the father called me, said her daughter's crying. She destroyed her new car. She's worked so hard as a nurse to be able to buy her first new, nice fancy car, and they take it places and go biking and hiking and kayaking, and we're right here on the coast between St. Pete and Clearwater here in Florida. And so I also wanted to get you in. This is where I order my magic erasers. I don't know if you get that. I can't get too tight in there. But there's that. There is another thing. Scientific Park of University, Kalumuku or something. I'm not sure. There's my old address. I've had this. It's 100. And if you're looking to buy magic erasers, not for cleaning the exterior of your car, I'll tell you what, get on eBay and hunt down that information I just showed you, or, I don't know, maybe copy that barcode. I don't know what you crazy kids are doing these days, but the barcodes and the QR codes are good. I've already removed all that. Had really bad hard water staining here. I've been using this product. They pestered me, this Sud Factory on my Facebook, and I finally just gave in and bought this bottle, and I'll tell you what, it is sweet. It works really well. If you've got an idea of where I can get like a gallon container of awesome dilutable, or not, but dilutable better, for glass or for paint or for both, hit me down in the comment box after you like, share, subscribe, of course, first and foremost. Hit the notification bell. Bing! I'm going to be opening up this new beautiful detailing salon here in Seminole, and I'm going to have like an amazing facility to film from. So at the 10-minute mark here, I don't want to get too lengthy with you. I just wanted to have a little fun. I'm going to title this How Not to Clean Your Paint with Goof Off and a Magic Eraser. And hopefully some of you out there were thinking about this and looking on YouTube and reading, all these different hacks to get sap off.